Okay, now sit down. Right down the hideout, boy. What's it, Sam? What you got in there? Did you walk away with your toys? Oh, and it squeaks. You little turd, you took that toy out. Go get that toy, Bonnie. Can't come back, hide the toy, and then... What is in there?
Can you get that? Look at that.
Picking them up and throwing them down. How do you get them open? She took off after that toy again.
Bring it here, Bonnie.
Bring it here. Oh, Bonnie got your toy.
Oh, you got
Brought it out. It's a reindeer. Mom, I think you better open that for her.
You guys should have opened this for Christmas.
No, it was from Patty for right now. Oh, you're getting a lot of help there, Franny. Oh, a lot of help. Okay. Here's your movie, Patty. Got it. That's what they were sniffing.